Welcome to Celebrities Worldwide Talk. I'm Liam Smith. Today we gonna take a look at this two South African rappers who've been doing the most, and those are AREECE and Nasty C. These two lead the new wave at South Africa. AREECE's real name is Leiloganola Ronald Matabonga. He was born in March 25, 1997. He's 22 years old. He started rapping back in 2013 as a national artist. He released 3 studio albums so far, namely Paradise, which was released in 2016, From Me to You and Only You, which was released back in 2017, AREECE Effect, which was released in 2019, and all 11 tracks of the album were charted on iTunes Top 20. He got EPs as well, which are Gwan Big Up Yourself and I'm Only 21. He was signed to Ambitious, but after controversy of financial disagreements he went on to embark his own record label, The Wrecking Crew. For now he was nominated 2 times back in 2016 for Lyricist of the Year, and his music video Couldn't was nominated for Best Video on 2016 South African Hip Hop Awards, but he bagged none as yet. Let's move to Nasty C quickly. His real name is Nkeasizwe David Jr. Ng Kobo. He was born in February 11, 1997. He's 22 years old. He also started rapping in 2013 on the national level. He's a record producer, rapper, singer, songwriter. He was signed to various record label before, which includes Venomous Production, Free World Music, and Mabala Noise. Currently he's signed to Universal Music. He also has his own record label, Tall Racks. On the side, he have 2 studio albums so far, namely Bad Hair and Strings and Bling. He got 2 mixtapes and 1 EP, but he'll be releasing another one the 3rd quarter of the year. He was nominated many times. He managed to bag 4+ awards so far. That's all we got for you. Please like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for